Hey guys, today I have a short and simple video to show you how you can save a lot of money if you plan on buying a pre-made PC because of the Bitcoin mining. So, some PCs you could go on their website, CyberPower's website, and buy them and customize them. And if you're like me, I bought 2 PCs from them. I just picked pre-built ones already from like Amazon or Best Buy or something. But I found a website that I use that saved me more money as long as you don't live in Jersey and New York. So this is the same PC on Amazon and this website called B&H Photos. Same PC, same price. The only difference is this website does not charge you tax. As long as you don't live in Jersey and New York, you will not have to pay tax. So that's a really good deal, especially if you bought like mine. Mine was over $2,000 and it cost over it was like $100 and something just on tax. See, this PC alone that cost $880 would cost me $54 just in tax. But on this website, as long as you don't live in New York and New Jersey, you'll be fine. So, thanks for watching. This is a trusted website. I hope you guys found this informational. Like and subscribe. Have a nice